I'm at this place, and there's a Goodman right over there. But there are a couple units here at this electric company place. They're right up here. And there's some sort of Carrier Gemini over there, and a Train Odyssey. But the reason why I decided to came here is because we go down this road every Sunday for grocery shopping. And it used to be just these units here. And then one day, this tiny little XR popped up. And I decided, like, oh, hey, I'm going to check this out. Oy. So here's a awful sounding XR17. There's one just like this in my neighborhood. 2020, it's a 5-ton. It's got an Alliance scroll. It's working good. Just noisy. It is a heat pump. Carrier Comfort. It's a helicopter comfort. It looks newer. That thing is scary. Oh, this is new. Pure on Advance. $2015, so I'm assuming that's the year on that Odyssey. That is from 2025. So this must have been installed recently. It's been running. See what kind of compressor it's got. It's Copeland. 2025, 1.5 ton. This is straight cool. I'll have to see what it replaces on Google Maps. I'm not going to get the data on that Odyssey. Now I'm going to go check out that commercial unit over there. Yeah, so there's those. And then there are some more units over that way at 2 different places, which I'll film in separate videos. But yeah. There's a disconnect box. Carrier Gemini, which is buzzing. It's been running. From 2022 I'm not sure what the BTUs are on this. It is buzzing.